Oh, they're a little more active here. Oh, did we get it? Double pop. Yes. All right, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing a new game, Firecracker Jade. Never played this one before, but it looks interesting. Some dragons up there. Starting out with $500. Let's see. Let's try what 10 cents. Oh, let's try something 80.
Minimum bet.
See if anything happens here. This is another Konami game. Ooh, see that can pop there randomly. Yeah.
Pop? Okay.
Sometimes Konami games are good and sometimes they suck. Sometimes it's impossible to win on them. So let's see if we get lucky today. But I feel like with these games, you're either winning or you're losing, especially with Konami. Come on. Come on, Konami. Let us get one of those dragons. Oh.
Dragons? What do you do, dragon?
Oh, see, we need all of them to land. We need all of them to land. Oh, do it! Jay's all the way. Okay. How much is that? 11?
11.
Okay. Come on, let us get some bonuses for the people. Dragon Firecracker. Let's see. What's the max bid on the pennies?
880.
Oh yeah, let's try something here. Maybe something crazy will happen.
Oh, it changes the progressive.
Oh, good. Okay. Oh, that was a good line. Oh, no. Yeah, I like how the progressives change with it. So that's good. Mini is still 100. Minor is 250. Come on. I just want to see a bonus. Let's try some 528s. Come on. Show us something here. Oh, they're a little more active here. Oh, did we get it? Double pop. Yes. All right.
Double fire, double game.
Okay, let's see what that does. We're in, guys. We're in.
Games. Okay. Do it. See what it does.
Oh, it would be nice to get a jackpot too. We want the progressives, but this could be good still. Ooh, double games. Let's go. Oh, we want that golden dragon. The golden dragon does something special. Ooh, all the way. Oh. 16. Come on, line it up. Oh.
What do we need with those?
I know, what does he do? Oh! What's that? What just happened? Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? He's got a bunch of firecrackers.
Wild.
Oh. I know, what does the golden dragon show us? Oh, one more?
Yeah, what does that do?
Oh, I see you on the bottom. Oh, what was that again? No, it's crazy. Let's throw some lions again. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, full screen of air. That's pretty good. 22. Let's see what the dragon does. Golden dragon. Maybe we need 3 of them.
Maybe.
Oh, keep throwing those wilds for us. Oh, I think that's a double fire feature, maybe.
Yeah.
It has to be, huh?
Yeah.
I think that's a double fire.
Yeah, just the wild that he throws.
Oh, throw some more. Can you do it again?
Yeah.
Yes. His double game is 2 screens. Double fire is him throwing the firecracker. Bang big. Oh.
That's hot.
Oh my gosh. Big win.
Oh wow.
Holy crap.
I think it was like 180.
You do it again? Okay, we'll take it. That was a good bonus.
I wonder what the golden dragon
I know.
does.
Hey, we got our money back.
It's got some money back.
Oh, great. Good double bonus. I think we want the double games and the jackpot feature because it's going to be huge. You know? Okay, I'm glad we got that. Got some money back. 12. That was pretty loud too.
Yeah.
Come on. I'll Firecracker Dragons. Oh, do it again.
Double pop?
Oh,
Wait.
oh my God, what
it
was that?
wouldn't let me press the button.
Yeah, and you're like shook too for a second. Come on. Teaser. Teaser. That was kind of fun though.
Yeah. Now I want to see the jackpot.
Yeah, I think if we get jackpot with double games, probably be huge.
Yeah.
Be a big screen with the jackpot picks. Come on. Okay, so Miles, 7. Come on, do it. Oh. Oh, oh,
Oh, no.
oh, okay. What a trick.
Oh, you got
That perceived progression. Perceived progression, man. Purple. Would have been crazy. Oh. Jesus. Come on. Maybe we'll try 2 cents.
520.
2 cents, 528. Oh. Come on. Let me know if you guys have played this game before and if you guys like it. Ooh, what's that? What's happening? Oh,
Those wild.
oh, okay, I see. Oh, please line up. Those Chinese symbols. No, of course it's A's.
Oh my god. $8.
Oh my gosh. That wasn't the best, but hey, at least it showed us what it does. One of those Chinese symbols. I'm pretty sure those play pretty well. Let's see, 5 cents. What's there at 5 cents? Ooh, 80 there? Let's try a couple here. See what happens. So minimum. Oh, teaser again. I mean, it could be big if it lines up. Oh, he's doing a lot. Could line up. No, not at the end. Full screen, please. Full screen. Peaches. Oh. Ooh, that's pretty
Nice.
big.
$60.
Yeah, that was good. Oh, pop here. Come on. Oh, do it. Oh my gosh. He twitched. He twitched once. Oh, I didn't realize we had all the K's. Oh. It would be so nice here. Come on. Try a couple more 10 cents. 880. See if there's anything here. Oh, please, triple.
Triple? Double?
Oh my god, what is easy? Let's go. Minimum bet on here. 440. Oh! Ah!
440.
As soon as we switch to minimum bet. I'll take it though. I'm not complaining. Let's go. Got the double screen again. But no firecrackers this time. I want to see what the gold does.
I know.
Show us the gold. I feel like we need 3 of them maybe or something. Do we need 3 golds? Come on. Fishies all the way. Gold. Come on, don't be bad. Oh. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh no.
I can.
Oh. So what did the red do earlier then? He's still throwing a bunch of missiles? Firecrackers, I mean. Oh, he lined up good. Oh man, they're in bad spots. They're in bad spots. Chinese symbols. Oh my god, that was horrible. Horrible. Okay, I'll take 60. I'm not complaining. That's not bad for a 440 bet.
Interesting. Then what was double fire then?
I don't know. Maybe he throws extra because he did throw it twice.
Oh.
He did throw it twice earlier.
Interesting.
Yeah, he was throwing it twice.
Yeah.
Whereas that time he only threw it once. I'm pretty sure it's him throwing it twice. Makes the most sense. I mean, it's keeping us in the game.
Mm-hmm.
Decent bonuses. Oh, do it. Oh, I want to see that jackpot feature.
Yeah.
1 cent. Let's try a couple max bets here. $8. Do something. Oh my god. It doesn't let you hit it either.
Yeah.
Such a tease. Come on. Come on, Jackpot Dragon, show yourself. Do it. Do it. Oh. The line hits have been decent, not horrible. Oh, just do it. I want to see that purple. Oh, red. Oh. Come on. Yeah, I really think double games and jackpot is the way to go. Those two right there. Come on, one jackpot feature before we go. Come on. Oh, that purple. Come on. Oh,
Oh, pop it.
tease it. Almost all the way. Oh, 36.
Nice.
We needed that.
3 more spins.
Ooh, oh. The wild was right there would have been way better. Do it. Man, that jackpot's hard to pop.
Hello everyone and welcome to Fun California. Attention all 7 Stars guests. This is a reminder that tonight at 7 p.m., 7 lucky 7 Star guests
Come on,
will
let's
get
get it.
$700 free swap. Swipe Seasons Reward Club.
Oh man! All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that session. That was fun. Oh, it's Ranger Saver. It was fun, but you know we didn't get any crazy. But let's see. Come on. All right, subscribe and like. I'll see you guys in the next video.